different question to Your Excellency, if that's okay. I wanted to ask you, and you can choose either question, okay, but I wanted to ask you how you dealt with COVID in such a populous nation, and what, coming out of COVID, what are the main lessons you've learned to help digitize your country? You only get one of the two because we're running out of time. You choose.
Yeah, for COVID first.
Yes.
COVID, we position COVID as an opportunity. Yeah, we have to deal with a lot of things. We have to deal with our daily life with this COVID. But again, we position COVID as an opportunity. Change every important business processes in education sectors, in healthcare sectors, Without COVID, to be frank with you, we won't be in this position right now, in the way the government provide the healthcare services, in the way we provide the education system. Because of COVID, to me, personally, I can say that COVID was a blessing for us, Okay, there is one. And the second one, on the how I'm going to do for the futures, we have to see from the business point of view. Again, business, and business. If it is feasible from business point of view, leave it to private, whether domestic or foreign investors.
Right.
But if it is not feasible but economically viable, then this is the job for the government. So that's why building the infrastructures, who would like to build in the remote area? Because it's not feasible from financial point of view. So this is the job of the government. Government allocate the money, $1 billion up to 2023 to put an access in the remote area, whether BTS is or satellite access or something like that, and particularly for the healthcare and then for the education, for the schools. That is the government job. But the rest, leave it to private. In Indonesia, all telcos company are publicly listed company right now. And 65% are allowed to be owned by the foreigners, either financial investor or the strategic investor. And that is for basic infrastructure. Again, this is only for network. Our focus right now is for apps. How do we deal the challenge? How do we deal with the OTT? Over the top. Yeah. How are you going to share the cake between the infrastructure players and then the OTT players, Because the OTT player, the network players always saying that they're the one who always piggyback our network. We are the one who build the network. We are the one who spend the capex. They just only piggyback our network. Cream skimming or something like that. That is the job of the government, how to make it balance,
Make them pay, and then it'll be a little bit more complicated for them.